Hi, good morning, everybody. Today for math, we are going to continue studying equivalent fractions. So here is the link or the assignment to the math assignment today. What I really want you to do first is really make sure that you guys watch that Khan Academy video. That it gives a great explanation of equivalent fractions. It was on there yesterday, but it's always great. You guys are home there by yourselves without me, and so rewatch the videos, and so you'll hear the vocabulary, and you'll get a refresher every day. Today though, I do have a Brain Pop video for you. You all have your own accounts under Brain Pop in Clever. So this is a great way for you guys to access those videos, and it also shows me who has seen the videos and done the assignments and who hasn't. So please, please, please today, before you do the assignment that you're going to turn in, make sure you go to Brain Pop and complete the assignment that I've given you. So here you can see it looks a little different than what we look at when we go into the classroom or when I show you a video during breakfast time in class. Um, this just says, here's your assignment, the title, it's Equivalent Fractions Assignment. And you can see that I've given it to everybody in the third grade class. And then here are your options of things to do. I definitely want you to watch the movie and then practice the quiz, the hard quiz, and the little joke. They're fun. So you would just hit go, and it should take you to, yep, it'll take you right to where you need to go here. So then you'll see the video is about 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Play the video, watch it. When you're done, you can hit the back button. I'm guessing, I'm hoping, yes, good. And then you can go in and try the quiz and the harder quiz and then the little joke. Okay. So after you've done those little activities, you can exit out of there, go back to our classroom, and go into the Google Slides for today. All right, so here is what you guys need to do for today's assignment. Again, our objective is we are looking at equivalent fractions and we're using models to do that. Just use the models to write a number sentence about the equivalent fraction. So here I have a circle. It's divided into three equal pieces, and one of those pieces is shaded. So we call that 1/3. Okay. Now, next to it, I have another circle. It's not a rectangle, it's not a triangle, it's another circle because we're comparing circles here. And it appears to be equivalent to me. This piece looks to be the same size as this piece, except it's divided into more pieces. So be really careful when you are counting up the pieces. A lot of you so far, sometimes you're really close, but you might be one off. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this circle is divided into 6 equal pieces. That is our denominator. Our numerator, the number that goes on top of the fraction line, is how many pieces are shaded, and easily I can see 2. So then the way that you would read this little equation here is you would say 1/3 equals 2/6. Or you could use a fancy word like equivalent and say 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. Okay, let's try another one. Again, we're looking at equivalent fractions. The directions say use the models, which are just the circles, to write a number sentence about the equivalent fractions. So the first model is written for us. It's divided into 5 equal pieces. So that's our denominator, 5. And 4 of those pieces are shaded orange. That's our numerator. So we would say that this fraction, we would say it's 4/5. Everyone say that. 4/5. Excellent. Now this next model, this green circle here, this one's going to be a little bit trickier. So count it twice if you need to. But we need to first figure out how many pieces this circle has been divided into first. So I'm going to start with this white piece. And so I know that I need to end here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this circle is divided into 10 equal pieces. So I have a question for you. Is 10, am I going to put it as the numerator or the denominator? All right, hopefully you said the denominator. 10 is the denominator. It's what the circle is broken into, or it's all the equal pieces. The numerator is just the green part. So now I can count how many are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so then my equation, I can read it like this. 4/5 equals 8/10. Everyone say that. Or you can do a fancy equal and say equivalent. 4/5 is equivalent to 8/10. Try that one. Okay, let's do one more and then I'll let you guys do the rest on your own. All right, so again, we're looking at equivalent fractions and the directions use the models to write a number sentence about the equivalent fraction. So the first model, the first circle is done for you. It's broken up into 6 equal pieces and one of those pieces is shaded maybe pink. So we would call that 1/6. All right, now the hard part is trying to figure out this one because it's broken up into so many little pieces. So count twice if you need to. Okay, so I'm going to start here right at this white piece. So I know that I don't need to stop there at that first blue piece. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this circle has been divided into 12 equal pieces. Is that going to be the numerator or the denominator? That's right, it's going to be the denominator, 12. And how many of those 12 equal pieces are shaded blue? That's right, 2. So our fraction here is 2/12. And again, we would read this equation as 1/6 equals 2/12. Or you could make it fancy and say 1/6 is equivalent to 2/12. All right, you guys, I hope that is a good explanation for you and you understand everything. If you don't, remember on our stream, there are some teachers who are available. You guys can go do Google Meets with them. I know Isabella met with Mrs. Hall yesterday and she was texting me. So if you need any help, there is help out there. And obviously, you can always email me or ask me a question. Good luck. Have fun.